Good morning everyone. So today I'm going to give the lecturate on the rise of multipolar world. Let me tell you what is multipolar world. India has always stayed non-aligned after independence, but now it is choosing multi-alignment. It means that it will not partner with a single country, but with multiple countries. And we have seen after the rise of the Middle East conflict and various conflicts like the Russia-Ukraine conflict, there is an uncertainty in the world. And due to this uncertainty, no country can claim to depend on another country solely. We need a diverse source of energy. We need a diverse source of resources. And for this, for a country like India and various developing countries, it is essential for them to diversify their resources. And India has been following this. And just like I mentioned, India today believes in multi-alignment, which means they will partner with multiple countries. We can also see the example that India is not supporting a single side in the Middle East conflict. They have taken an approach where it talks about balance. It talks about discussion. And India, if we take the example of US and Russia, these superpowers have divided the world. Some countries, they want other countries, the countries that are developing, they want them to take one side, either support Russia or support US. But India knows how to balance powers. It only partners with countries that it can balance the powers between superpowers like US and Russia, and it only knows how to cater to its national interest. So I believe in this increasing multipolar world order, India is playing a very crucial role. We can also take the example of India is also a part of various organizations like Quad, and it is also a part of the BRICS. Now Quad has US and BRICS has China and Russia, and still India is partnering and trading with with these powers. So I believe India needs to focus on strengthening its power of strengthening and increasing its diplomacy by partnering with multiple countries, so that no country in the future can weaponize its resources and hamper our growth. Thank you.